Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy A17. So first, open the settings of your phone and then go into the battery. From here, enable the battery power saving. It enables automatically features that I want to show you how to enable manually. That's why I'm not enabling it right now. Go into the display and use dark mode. Lower the brightness or use right here the adaptive brightness. Scroll down into the screen timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. And then go open the quick settings from the top of your phone, and from here disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.